Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So in this video I wanted to show you the Whitestone dome. It's actually on here for the OnePlus 7 Pro. It's such a nice setup. You really can't tell that it's there, but it is there. And the touch sensitivity is good. Fingerprint reader works good, as you can see. No problems with it. I just want to do a real brief video showing you that the Whitestone dome works flawlessly with the OnePlus 7 Pro. I think you guys probably knew that already, but wanted to go ahead and put the video out there. Whitestone dome sent over the glass for me, so I appreciate them doing so. As you can see, I purchased another OnePlus 7 Pro. If you haven't seen the return video on this, I'll try to link it down below, but be sure to search my channel and you'll find the return of the OnePlus 7 Pro video that I did. And also I got a SopiGuard on here as well. So I'll try to remember to link those videos down below. But this is the Whitestone dome. If you're considering it, because of the in-screen fingerprint reader, it's good. It's good. It's a fast fingerprint reader. And it works flawlessly with the glass on there. So I didn't power this phone on until after I did all my complete setup after I put the glass on. So the phone was brand new. I cut it open the box. I put my skin on and I put this glass on, and then I set the phone up. So I don't know if your phone is already set up, if you'd have to set it up again. But I set mine up directly out of the box. And so mine is working great, as you can see. But anyway, it's your man Jay, Whitestone dome, glass, OnePlus 7 Pro. Win-win.